The babies align themselves for feeding. Nice and strong. Can't see, but they can find that nipple. Right, Canela? What a good mommy you are, Canela. Eight puppies to feed is not a joke. There's a lot of puppies to feed and take care of. And there those little tails and go. When the milk starts coming, they all wiggle their tails. So cute. Canela, pretty girl. There they are. All lined up. All lined up. One can't get to it. This one is baby Alma. Right there. Big and strong. One of the biggest ones. Oh, he can't get to it. Oh my goodness. And the purple color, her name is Canela, after mommy. She's one of the smallest ones actually. But Alma is this one with the pink color, Alma. She's one of the strongest ones, the bigger one. There those tails go, means that the milk came in. My poor baby Canela can't get to milk yet. All the sides are occupied. I think Ozzy lost his nipple, so he's all upset. Going underneath it. So cute. Canela, you better turn this off around. They're all like doing gymnastics in there.